didn't you? Oh, did. Oh. My quilt needs quilting in there. I ain't heard you say nothing about helping me. Oh, come on now.
You don't want me to help.
It ain't mine anyway.
Well, Shelly doesn't want me to help.
Well, you need to learn. If you want to quilt, you need to learn how, because you're going to learn how on your quilt. You going to try to quilt too? Make the stitches little like I do. You got to make little stitches in it. Oh, that's a pretty quilt Linda made, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And I ain't quilting it. A little bit when I get ready to. I ain't